All right, today I'm going to show you how the conversational AI bot works inside of Lead. So whenever you're out of the office, you're out having a life, the AI bot is working 24/7, 365 to book appointments for your prospects and leads, to schedule appointments with you and your team so we can eliminate that hassle and make it really simple for you. So let's take a look inside the software and how this works.
Here, we put in a lead request, and then we had an automatic response sent to the actual prospect. Thanks for your interest. Reply chat now if you'd like to book an appointment with one of our reps. Reply stop, dot, subscribe. Thanks, Money Branding. So all we're going to do on here, we're just going to reply chat now. And you'll be able to see this live time as it happens. The bot kicks in. It says, okay, Owen, let's get started. What's your email? Then when are you first available to speak to someone in our office? So it's sending the notifications to my other phone, if you heard. And so I'll say, how about Monday? And then they'll come over into our system, and then it will start to figure out a response if we are available on that exact Monday or not, and then be able to message back to the prospect. And so now it sends back to the prospect, here are some openings, Monday, July 1st at 8 a.m., 8:30, 12:30, 4:30, what time works best for you? And so let's go, how about 12:30? And the person will respond back to that. You'll see it pop right back over in live time. And then it will try to book the appointment and schedule that out for that prospect. And so the bot replies back with a little bit of a delay, and you can adjust that delay as well. And so it says, yes, it's available. Should we book it for them? And then the person would put yes. And then it will go to a series of actions of text reminders, email reminders about that appointment that has been booked. It is literally that easy to implement this into your system, your website, chat platform. This is how powerful this is. Now, we are looking forward to talking more about your needs. So we just threw this in here really quick. Of course, we can always double check the grammar, and we can always adjust that end message.
So that's how easy the conversational AI bot is inside of Lead. It nurtures all your prospects and leads for you. Very simple and easy. And then once it books the appointment, it sends you notifications like a text message or an email right away, so you know exactly someone booked that appointment with you, so you can get ready to close that sale. So what are you waiting for? There's a link down below to get a 14-day free trial within our software, and we can show you how Lead can help boost productivity and close more deals for you. See you at the next video.